how to get Apple Music on Firestick. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Apple Music on Firestick. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get Apple Music on Firestick, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Alexa app on your phone and tap More. Step 2. Tap Skills and Games, then tap the magnifying glass icon to search. Step 3. Type Apple Music and tap on it in the search results. Step 4. Tap Enable, then go to Settings and tap Link Account. Step 5. If prompted, select a web browser and enter your Apple ID and password. Step 6. Obtain a two-factor authentication code from your Apple device and enter it. Step 7. Tap Allow, then tap Close to complete the setup. So that's how you can get Apple Music on Fire Stick. That's all for this video.